I've had fun in my music. I've been very depressed in my music. I'm in love in my music, and it's like, because I'm a human being, I have to expose some part of myself that I'm uncomfortable with every album. Self-doubt is, you know, like if you have a creative mind, you're gonna doubt a lot of things about the world, about yourself, that's all completely normal. Insecurity is all completely normal, especially with your own work, because it's an extension of yourself. So when you're giving away some of your art, you're giving away a piece of yourself, and it's like standing in front of a bunch of people naked. You're kind of like, I don't know, you know what I mean? You gotta like just start being cool with letting people get to know you on a deeper level. I just like to create, you know, like I really love being around creation. It's really what I love to do. It's a beautiful thing, man. Music is a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing, baby. It's a beautiful thing. Let me tell you something about music. It's beautiful. All right. There he is.
How you feeling?
Been an interesting journey for me to realize that the goal here is just to be as much me as possible.
Yeah.
That's it. That's the only goal. And how do we get that out of me into whatever we're making? Because you know what I mean. You make this like super personal ass, like stripped back song where there's no bells and whistles.
Yeah.
And that the only thing that's carrying the song is you.
Yeah.
And it's
that's
like
the best.
I know, it's just so scary. Yo, wait till you guys hear the verse I'm about to drop when I get to the studio. And my least favorite thing that anyone does is when they're going through something personally, but making music that doesn't match that. Like, I hate that. Like, if you're sad, bro, like, be sad.
Be sad.
It's cool. It's nice to not have to talk to describe how you're feeling. You know what I mean? It's nice to learn about yourself by like sitting down, picking up a guitar and just playing. It's the whole entire journey of self-exploration. All I got is a little bit of space and time, drawing shapes and lines of a world we made yet. I think that there's a time and a place for every different kind of identity in music. It's okay for artists to jump around and not always be so consistent with the identity they carry, because humans are way more complex than that. I want to make sure I cover all the different identities that come with being a human. And that's like my main focus, is like just keeping it real myself and talking about what I feel, because you can go back and you see yourself going through this wild emotional journey. Mm-hmm. You know, you see yourself with moments of like, damn, I was full of self-doubt there, and then damn, I was really feeling myself right there. And there's a place for all of that, you know, and you don't have to hide any part of yourself. And I think in music, a lot of times people get tied up in the wrestling aspect of it, you know, like the theme music and walking in and this is my character and I'm this guy, and it's like, nah, man, there's no way you're that every day of your life.
That's a good comparison.
There's no way.
With Mac Miller right here.
I've never done this before. I'm gonna see it. I mean, I've watched people play the piano. I've never tried to see what happens. I don't like to plan much. I really just like to hit record and go and see what happens and then like figure it out later. Like, it's okay to believe in yourself against all odds and like fail. It's okay to fail. And I think that the fear of failure a lot of the times allows people to be swallowed whole, because it's just like they get kind of scared and jumpy, like, oh shit, you don't think this is gonna work? And then you fold. Cheer!
Wow.
9 times out of 10 I get it wrong. That's why I wrote this song. Tell myself to hold on. I can feel my fingers slipping in a motherfucking instant, I'll be gone. Do you want it all if it's all mediocre? Staring at the wall in a wall full of posters. Looking in my dreams, who I wanna be. I guess you gotta see it to believe. Who I've been a fool, but it's cool, that's what human beings do. Keep your eyes to the sky, never glued to your shoes. Guess there was a time when my mind was consumed, but the sun coming out now, clouds start to move. Don't tell me nothing but the truth. I'm tired, I don't got a spare second. Win or lose, I don't keep count, nobody checking. Thank you, guys.
What's up, guys? I just wanted to hop on here and say hello. I hope you enjoyed watching that montage as much as I enjoyed making it. This advice and this wisdom from Mac Miller really found me personally at a good time. I've been wanting to show up here to YouTube more consistently, and doing that can be scary and vulnerable and cringy a little bit to put myself out there. I think what this Mac Miller video reminded me of was that this is just a part of the process of art making. It's when we pour ourselves into our work honestly, it's so natural to feel insecure and scared and a little cringed out. But if we're not willing to feel that sticky, uncomfortable feeling, we don't get the gifts that art can give us, which is, one, it's this process of alchemy. It's like a way to deal with the depth of the human experience, is to take that experience and that emotion and to pour it into our work. But it's also this process of self-discovery. Like we might discover more of ourselves through creating. Those are two sides of the same coin, and I love that Mac reminds me of that. I also just hold this belief that sometimes it's the people that leave this earth too soon that have the most to teach us. And I feel that way with Mac. Not only is he just this very pure artist, but he seemingly also had this really good, pure heart, this kind heart. He was very familiar with feeling the full spectrum of what it means to be human. And I think there's a lot to learn from that. So yeah, I took a lot away from this video. I hope someone out there did too. If you're into this kind of thing, consider subscribing and following the journey. Maybe I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.